Go ahead and ring it. It's not even...
I think you can... The service panel's open in this one, so I think you can turn the fan off.
We'll be sure to do that. Even though these fixtures are really generic, I like them. I think it's because they're European stuff. Oh.
Yes, you can.
It's all keys, isn't it?
All right, let's
hit 2.
Okay, let's see this. I think this is hydro.
The fan's already off.
This is hydro.
Is it light? No, it's independent.
Set it down to 1.
Okay.
It's really quiet.
Oh my gosh. Didn't Kone stop making hydros in like 2007?
Mm-hmm.
So this is probably one of the last ones.
This must have been different. Used to be a different store.
Mm-hmm. Because this elevator totally does not fit with the rest of the store.
Just want to go up.
I think I've seen enough of it. It's not that special. Look at that arrow. There it goes. Excuse me, there it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.